Hippo's hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. Stop making that noise, Hippo. It's too loud. You're making my ears hurt. Hiccup, hiccup. Try standing on your hands. Hiccup, hiccup. Hey, hey. Count down from 10 to 0 while doing star jumps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hiccup, hiccup. A fright will make you stop. Snap, snap. Hiccup, hiccup. Hop on one leg and then say the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Hiccup. Stop hiccuping. Leave me alone. Oh, I'm going underwater. Hey, what are you doing? Are you holding your breath, Hippo? Hey, my hiccups have gone. Yippee! So that is the end of Hippo's hiccups.